worked as a prosecutor for about 20 years. And while I was a prosecutor, I found that going out into nature and taking photographs was a wonderful thing to do to clear my mind, to ease my mind, and to take my mind off some of the gruesome things that I might have seen during the week. I think the photographers during the Depression, Dorothea Lange and the writer Eudora Welty, who also was a photographer for one of the arts projects during the Depression, really made a tremendous impact on me. One lens that's just my mainstay lens, and it's an 18 to 250 zoom. And I can do a wide-angle landscape with that, or I can do a close-up of a hawk. As I said before, I'm incredibly lucky to have had two great passions in my work life, my out-of-work life. I had prosecution, which I thoroughly loved doing up until the day I stopped, and I've always loved photography, and now I'm able to do it all the time.